How to forward calls on Samsung Galaxy S24, S24 Plus, S24 Ultra. Open the phone app on your device. Tap the three vertical dots at top right. Tap the settings. Now scroll down up to supplementary services. Tap on a supplementary services. Here you can see call forwarding option. Tap on it. Here you can see voice calls and video call option. Select the option. Here we select voice calls. Now you can see four options: always forward, forward when busy, forward when unanswered, or forward when unreachable. So tap the option. Here we select forward when busy option. Now enter the number, or you can choose your contact from the contact list. Tap on a contact icon and add the number. Enter the number, tap on enable. Here we enter wrong number, so not enable. So just select the option you want to forward call on your other number and tap on enable to forward the call on your device. So it's quite easy to forward calls on your Samsung Galaxy S24. Tap on video calls. Here you can also enable call forwarding for video call on your device. Just enter the number you want to forward your video call. That's it. If you like it, share it.